quiet of the night, I hear a call, a whisper of stars, a voice through it all, guiding my spirit, lifting my fall through endless skies. The message flows, a timeless truth, the cosmos knows. In every heart, the love light glows. Oh, the voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe embrace, I am me, I am me. Beneath the heavens where silence reigns, the soul's deep soul dissolves my chains. A harmony born of celestial plains, it calls me forth to trust, to soar through the stars' gates, an open door, a journey home forevermore. Oh, the voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe's embrace, I am me. Feel the rhythm, soft and divine. The universe whispers, you are mine. A dance of the light, a sacred sign. Through the galaxies, our spirits weave a pattern of love we all believe, a cosmic truth we each conceive. Oh, the voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe embrace, I am me, I am me. Each star a note, each world a rhyme, a symphony played beyond all time. In every heart, a spark sublime, the soul's deep wisdom, a guiding flame. In unity's glow, we are the same, bound by love, by a sacred name. The voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe embrace, I am me, I am me. Forever we sing, the stars are guide. In the infinite vastness we reside, a song of truth where love won't hide. The soul and the cosmos forever entwined, an endless story in rhythm defined. Infinite voices in harmony combined.
In the quiet of the night, I hear a call, a whisper of stars, a voice through it all, guiding my spirit, lifting my fall through endless skies. The message flows, a timeless truth, the cosmos knows. In every heart, the love light glows. Oh, the voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe's embrace, I am me. Beneath the heavens where silence reigns, the soul's deep song dissolves my chains. A harmony born of celestial plains, it calls me forth to trust, to soar through the stars' gates, an open door, a journey home forevermore. Oh, the voice of the soul, infinite and free, a melody of love through eternity. In the universe's embrace, I am me. Feel the rhythm, soft and divine. The universe whispers, you are mine. A dance of light, a sacred sign. Through the galaxies, our spirits weave